Wildfires have darkened skies on the West Coast. In Washington and Oregon, the air pollution has been worse than in Beijing and New Delhi.
It's collateral damage from a horrific start to the fire season, with wildfires burning from California to Canada. This NASA satellite image shows smoke covering nearly 2 million acres burning in the U.S.
It's not just about the trees, and we love our forests and our trees, but it's about our children, because when these forests burn, not only is there danger for burning down homes, and we've lost hundreds of them, it's the fact that our kids can't go outside and breathe.
This is the worst air quality we've had across the region since 2000.
And right now, it's some of the worst air on Earth. So bad that just spending the day outside is equivalent to smoking nearly 8.5 cigarettes. That smoke is bad for the lungs, especially for the elderly and young children.
We've noticed that over the last few days in particular, our numbers are ramping up, particularly in the emergency room.
The historic heat that Jeff was talking about in the West is blamed for what may be record-breaking hospitalizations in Washington state. Hospitals report nearly 1,800 emergency room visits for heat-related illness in this past week. At least 100 people have died in the West, and that includes a farm worker in Oregon.
Seattle is the least air-conditioned metro area in the country. An estimated 2/3 of its residents don't have one.
The folks in the Pacific Northwest and British Columbia in Canada are not used to this type of heat. They do not have air conditioning, and this is a historic heat dome.
While it's been days since the initial flooding on South Kenyon Street, this is the first time Dan Wooden is seeing the damage done to his basement.
Let's go check it out.
Blocks from the Duwamish River. Wooden says this is the 4th time in 3 years he and his girlfriend have experienced flooding. Their family is one of the almost 30 impacted by last Tuesday's king tide. Recovery for the community is the main priority.